Here's how to fix. This account might include sensitive content on X, formerly Twitter, in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This warning appears when sensitive content settings are enabled. It doesn't mean the account is banned, it's just hidden by your settings. First, open the X app on your phone. Tap your profile icon. Then, tap Settings and Privacy to open account options. Tap Privacy and Safety to access content settings. Tap Content you see. This controls what type of posts are shown on your feed. Turn on Display Media that may contain sensitive content. This removes the warning and allows you to view the account. Go back one step. Tap Search Settings. Turn off Hide Sensitive Content. If you're under 18, these settings may be locked and cannot be changed. And that's it. You've fixed the sensitive content warning on X/Twitter. Subscribe for more X and phone tips.